What's up, people? It's Chad, and I have a quick one for you today. I'm going to be installing the Teraflex Falcon Stabilizer on the Jeep Gladiator. Hopefully it'll be a quick and easy install. I am running oversized tires, the 37-inch Nito Ridge Grapplers. These are actually 13 and a half. So yeah, there's a lot of tire there, and there's a lot of play in the steering. It's never really bothered me much, but my wife loves to drive the Jeep Gladiator, and I would just feel better if she were on the highway with a little, taking some of that play out of the steering. So yeah, I'm excited about this particular stabilizer because it has 3 settings on it, soft, medium, and hard, and we can run the hard setting on the highway, and then if we're doing any trail riding, you just get under there and turn the little knob and set it to medium or soft if we're doing any crawling. So yeah, hopefully this will go quick. I'm just on my lunch break and throw it on here, and I'll share my thoughts afterwards. I bought this on Amazon. It was a little bit cheaper than some of the online retailers, and although it says it's for a Jeep JL Wrangler front, there is absolutely no difference between the JL and the JT in the front of the vehicle. They're identical. I actually called Teraflex too just to confirm, but I should have no problem installing this on my Jeep Gladiator. You know, I was aware when I was talking about the soft, medium, and hard settings that there could be some innuendos or jokes, but it's actually soft, medium, and firm. Okay, so I'm gonna start by taking these 3 bolts out. So next, you gotta remove this factory bracket. Taking that out already with a 13 millimeter. So I'm gonna grab this last bolt. Sorry, there's 3. Done 2. It's in. Let's go test it out. We're gonna start with the soft setting. So far I can't tell a difference. Okay, we're on medium now. Ooh. Yeah. Yep. Those little bumps that I just took probably normally just kind of throw me back and forth a little bit, and correct it just fine. Next mod is gonna have to be steps. I'm too short to be jumping up in this thing. Alright, firm setting. Ooh, huge difference. Whoa, it's too much almost. Wow, it's weird. In the turns, it's like, it takes a little bit effort to turn. Yeah, it's weird. As you turn the wheel, it's almost like it wants to keep turning. You have to physically turn it back to straight. Oh yeah. I can tell on a highway, this would be a game changer. You could literally take your hand off the wheel for a second and it would just stay. Okay, cool. There she is. Consensus is to leave it on medium unless we are taking like a long road trip or something. We're gonna be mostly highway driving. We'll put it on firm, but we felt like the firm around town taking turns, it's a little bit weird. We just like the medium better. But anyway, cool little upgrade. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time.